How to write 0.375 in word form. Look, this is a decimal number. The whole number part is 0 and fractional part is this. So after decimal we have tens column. In tens column we are getting here 3. Then we have hundredths column we are getting 7 here. And after hundredths column we have thousands column. Here we have 5. Here the whole number part is 0 before the decimal. So to write this word in this number in word form, first you have to consider this fractional part as a whole number. So from this fractional part we can write a whole number 375. So write 375. We are using hyphen for 75 because for number 21 to 99 we use hyphen. 375. Now the last digit is in which column? Last digit is in, this is tenths column, this is hundredths, this is thousandths. So write the place value column name of last digit 375 thousand, THOUSAND THS is common for the columns after decimal. So 0.375 in words is called 375 thousandths.